Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Dodge Challenger oil light. This simple process can be done right from your driver's seat. First, get into your Challenger and turn the ignition to the on position. Do not start the engine, just turn the key or press the start button once. Next, fully depress the accelerator pedal 3 times within 10 seconds. This action signals the car's computer to begin the reset sequence for the oil light. After pressing the pedal, watch your dashboard closely. The oil change light should begin to flash, indicating that the reset procedure has been recognized by the vehicle system. This flashing is your confirmation that the first part of the reset was successful. Once you see the light flash, turn the ignition completely off. This step is crucial for the car's computer to save the new setting and clear the previous oil change reminder. Now, restart your Dodge Challenger's engine as you normally would. Check the instrument cluster to confirm that the oil change light is no longer illuminated. If the light is off, congratulations, you've successfully reset it. If the light remains on, don't worry. Simply repeat the entire process from the beginning. Sometimes it takes a second attempt to get the timing just right. Remember, this reset is for the reminder, not a substitute for actual maintenance. It's vital to remember that resetting the oil light only clears the reminder. It doesn't change your oil. Always ensure you've performed the necessary maintenance, like an oil change, before resetting the light. For specific details tailored to your Challenger's model, always refer to your owner's manual. It contains valuable information unique to your vehicle. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.